What's up, guys? It's Ray J back with another video. And in this, I want to break down what's happening with Tesla SPY in the overall market. Just know that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I'm saying as financial advice. Anyways, as far as the market's going, I just want to say that I didn't see too much tariff talk today. We did see some news about how the OECD is kind of forecasting that there's going to be a slowdown in the economies for Canada, Mexico, and even another increase in inflation that could be coming soon. But besides that, I didn't hear too much from Donald Trump himself about these tariffs, at least for the last day or two. He did mention there could be more coming, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing more specific for the time being. For now, Donald Trump's putting his focus on Russia. He announced that tomorrow he's going to be on a call with Putin. That's some very, very big news. And, they are technically getting a little bit closer to seeing a ceasefire deal. There's still more negotiations that have to be made as Russia has more things that he wants Ukraine to comply with. So we'll see how it goes. But this is some huge news. So that's part of why the market's pushing the way it is. Looking at Tesla, we're trying to hold the support around this 233 area. We actually held this. Had we lost 230, it wouldn't have been a good sign. We're actually holding. So if we could hold and get back above 240 by tomorrow, we're going to easily test 245, which is going to be our 20 EMA. And there's still some hope for this to attempt some kind of breakout move. I mean, we're still going to be watching for that. So for now, we're range bound near the 250s. We kind of reject here, but then we like to get bought back up around 230. So we'll give this more time to see which way we break. For now, there's still potential. What else is good is that SPY is bullish. We managed to eventually break 565. It took some time. And now that this broke, we're looking for an attempt to get back up to about 570. So we have 568 and 570s resistances. If we break those, we're looking for 575. We have a gap to fill up there, so we're looking bullish so far. The QQQ looks bullish if we could close and hold above 480 at the very least. I think 485 is the next level to watch for. And if we could break them, looking for 488s, then 492 as we look more bullish right now. For the Russell 2000, we're holding support over and over again. I want to see us break past 206. If that breaks, we're looking for an attempt to push towards 208. For ES, we're looking bullish. If we manage to break and hold above 56.74, we could be testing this upper trend line right here. This is going to be around 57.20. So I do think we're going to be doing that next, especially as there's this gap over here to fill around 57.67. So we're bullish nonetheless. NQ is looking bullish as long as we're above 19,842. We're looking good. Nvidia is trying to hold this like 117, 118 area, so it's doing a good job at holding up. We'll see if this holds. As long as this holds, we could be looking for a full recovery move. Apple's looking quite good. I want to see us get back above 217. If that breaks, we're looking for the 220s. For coin needs to try to hold above 188. If that holds, we're looking for an attempt for 195. Pretty good so far. Amazon's trying to make a comeback. I want to see it get back above at least 197.5 by tomorrow, and then we could be looking for the 200s. Meta's trying to make a comeback as well, but we have tough resistance at 608. We have to break 608 to push more, so we'll see if that ends up being the case or not. Microsoft has 389 as our main support to watch for. As long as that holds, we're looking for basically 394 next. And then Google, we need to break past 168. If that breaks, we're looking for an attempt for 170. So the VIX remains bearish, as I said earlier, which tends to be a bullish sign for the markets. And Tesla's holding support, which is a good sign. So I want to see if it could reclaim 240 or not. Overall, it's doing a good job, so keep that in mind. Thank you all so much for listening. I want to make this video update very, very quick. The market's about to close, but just know that for now we are looking a bit more bullish. But even if this continues into tomorrow, we'll see what happens with FOMC. We do have the big guy Jerome Powell giving a speech, and he could shake things up. So just make sure you're ready just to be safe. Anyways, that is it for my video. Please have a good rest of your day, guys. I'll be back in a couple of hours with another bigger update. Until then, have a good one and peace out.